This is an introduction lecture of ACCA Corporate and Business Law, and this is the first series of introduction lecture where I'll be talking about the available variants for this exam. Before starting off, let me introduce myself. This is Sadia Afrin, your lecturer for Business and Technology, Performance Management, Financial Reporting, as well as Financial Management. Although I am not teaching law, but I would like to introduce you to this paper because a lot of questions have arisen related to this. So let's look at the variants of exam that you can choose from. Basically, there are a lot of variants because of a lot of international students in the ACCA community. Actually, ACCA examining body found it useful for a lot of students out there who want to work in their own country or maybe in a maybe abroad. Sometimes they like to choose a different country from their local or home country, which is why they came up with a lot of variants as well as the global variant is applicable or suitable for students of all nationality. That means Indian, Bangladeshi, Pakistani, European, any country student can actually sit for this paper exam. Okay, so under the same paper or under the same subject you have different variants because different countries have their different local laws. Okay, so for example, Botswanese people can choose Botswanese variant if they are sure that they're going to work in Botswana. In that case, if this variant is for them, remember you just have to choose one variant, not all of them, so nothing to worry about. People who wish to work in Vietnam should choose definitely the Vietnamese variant, that stands for VNM. And remember the abbreviations or initials for every variant because this is mentioned beside your exam's name, or it will always appear on your exam window. So remember to be familiar with all these variants because if you get the wrong paper, you will know instantly. Okay, so this is very important. So please note this down, or you can take a screenshot if you need to, and let me know if you have any sort of confusion regarding the variant option. Actually, this is option that is given to you. You can choose any option. You can either choose Vietnamese, you can either choose global, you can choose English, you can choose any variant you want that will be relevant to your career, or any variant that you would like to study. We will say it's highly recommended that you choose the variant that will be most suitable for your career. Okay, keep your workplace in mind. I think that will make it very much easy for you. And before ending the lecture, let's look at some tricks and tips or the easiest path to success for your exam. Actually, it's quite easy. It's not as complicated as it seems. If you share your problems with us, follow our lesson plan sent to your email, complete all the classes and progress work within the given deadline, sit for mock exam under exam condition within the deadline, get a feedback and get your problem solved as soon as possible with enough time in hand to revise your problems, practice them enough so that you can turn your weakness into strength, and eventually you will be able to pass the exam. Thank you so much for staying with us. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to stay updated with more videos. And hit the bell icon because if you hit the bell icon, you will be notified every time there is a new video in this channel.